Time for an update on my CNC. Some of the problems I'm having. Got the gantry built, which that should be strong enough to let me build an aluminium gantry. But the problems I'm having are these rails and the carriages, that bit with the green on. I expected those rails to give me nice smooth movement. When I got them, put the carriage on the rail, you have to push it quite hard for it to go. And my finger's going white there, pushing that. On my 3D printer, we've got a similar system. It's a smaller rail. It's only a 12mm rail, whereas that's a 20mm rail. For that, nice and free. If you just tilt the rail at 45 degrees, it'll roll along it. That's never done that. And I think because it's got these wiper plates on the end, you can see the dust that it's collected already. That's acting like a brake. I'm not sure what to do now. I'm going to dismantle all this, take the carriages off and take the wiper plates off. So there's a wiper plate both ends on both of them and at that side as well. Take the wiper plates off, assemble it all again and see how that goes. I've already had to, where are we? My timing belt comes along here around there, around that driven pulley, around the idler again and along. Initially the stepper motor was the other side of this, so directly driving that pulley wheel. Didn't nowhere near enough power to move the gantry, so I rearranged it. It was all set up in here with the stepper motor going the other way. So what I've done is turn the stepper motor around. We've got a 3-to-1 gear. With that going, we've got bearings going through there. That drives this pulley wheel a third of the speed, but 3 times the torque. So it should give us more power to move the gantry. Still doesn't move. If I push it slightly like that, it goes. If I just give it a little helping hand, it goes. It's still not powerful enough. So, hence why I'm taking these wiper plates off. If that doesn't work, I could try new carriages. They're 20 quid each. 4 of them, that's £80. I've got these carriages for the to go across here for the X-axis. These work as I would expect. They roll. Everyone says don't use this type, use these instead. This works, that doesn't. I could get this type of carriage, this type of rail, and replace that. That would mean I've wasted money on that, but if it works, would also mean I'd have to redesign this, because this would stand out further here, which would mean this has to come out. I can sort that out. So I'm not really sure what to do at the moment. I'm going to try and get these working, and if I can, then fine, we all work. But that's where I am at the moment. Thanks.